Your computer crashed, and Windows created a memory dump file. This file contains the secret reason why your PC crashed. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's use WinDbg to analyze it. I'm saving the most versatile part for last. We're going to rely on one simple but powerful DMP file inspection tool that is capable of reading and repairing hundreds of file types. To prevent corruption, note that DMP is fundamentally a dedicated data file format. The file architecture mirrors the design of Windows memory dump file. The DMP file type refers to a dump file or crash dump file. It is a snapshot of a computer's memory at a specific point in time, usually when a system crash, like the blue screen of death, occurs, to aid developers in debugging errors. Created by the operating system, Microsoft Windows or Linux kernels, the design rules define a structured binary format for capturing the contents of the physical and virtual memory registers, stack, and process information necessary for post-mortem analysis. Microsoft Corporation endorses Microsoft Visual Studio as the main tool for handling DMP files. To view all media streams, the file must be opened in a dedicated container program. Windows shows only basic file facts, so deeper investigation requires the correct program. Go ahead and right-click your DMP file, then choose Open With. Try Microsoft Visual Studio if it's an option. If it's not, just select another program. This trial and error process is standard for tricky files. When a DMP file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. The easy part is over. Now for the detailed inspection, let's run through these 3 necessary troubleshooting checks right now. First, use WinDbg. Open the file using the Windows debugger, WinDbg, part of the Windows SDK, and use the analyze v command to identify the error. Next, use Dump File Analyzer. Use the Windows Crash Dump File Analyzer blue screen view to open the file and view the summary data in a readable format. Finally, check Permissions path. Ensure the DMP file is in the expected location, see Windows Mini Dump, and that the user has full read access. If the file is still not working, we can safely say it's not a simple issue. The best move now is to try a highly rated inspection tool that specializes in unlocking stubborn DMP files. When you've still failed to open the DMP file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like FileMagick, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagic.com. Head down to the comments if you need anything else, and remember to subscribe to keep these fixes coming. The software mentioned is available via the link in the description.